Hey, welcome to AK Rebuilds. While I'm sanding on the outside, Kevin is doing some electrical stuff in there, hooking up the bilge pump. And I'm going through with first going through with the 800 grit with some water. There's many ways to do this, but I found this way to work for me. For just lightly taking off the the high peaks, and then I'm gonna go down with 1500 and then go up to 3000 right before the buffing. So a little painful process, but it's got to be done.
Hey guys, today we're going to be putting the top cover onto the frame and putting the frame on the boat, finishing things up by buffing and polishing.
Okay, there's a couple more in the front, yeah. Okay.
Hop on the side over there.
Yeah, that looks really nice now.
Guys, so today we are finishing up on this beautiful 20-foot Sportsman. We have got the little bobber for the key, got little rubber tabs to hold the door so it's not making any sounds. Got everything cleaned up. We're going to run the engine with the water and make sure everything runs good. We did an oil change. Got this, that needs to be greased up. Got this room all cleaned up. That back is just stained. That pump is coming in. We ordered it, so I got the new fuel filter, and everything got cleaned up. I have lights underneath, all done. Everything is good. We are going to wash the floor and the boat later today. I got the new light installed there, good speakers, and we are going to buff and shine the outside of the boat where it is painted. So yeah, that's on the agenda today to get done, and we should be ready to go. Radio is ordered, it's coming within the next week. We got the button for the horn is coming in. We have a new horn in there. Bilge pump, everything's wired up perfectly. It's good. So yeah, we're gonna be out on the water soon. Okay guys, I have just added water into the tank. Let's see if there is flow. There's flow. Good pressure in it. Nice for taking good showers after swimming in the ocean. And when you catch a fish and say you want to gut it up here on the platform that you could buy for these holes right here, it pops on in the platform. You can wash down the guts, and if you catch like a bloody fish in case, you can rinse it down. Very nice. Okay guys, so we have put the filler onto the boat so that we can see the ripples and we know exactly when we're sanding to know when to stop when we've reached the clear coat level. We are going to start with 800 grit and then go all the way down to 3000. After that, we're gonna buff and polish and give it a nice clean look. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching till the end. If you are a business and you would like us to showcase your equipment for boats, contact us down in the description below. Peace.